Swift as the wind, unstoppable on any terrain. The all-new Hengwang HWL-120 arrives with a bang. Four-wheel drive with wheel in differential full and matched off-road capability. Luxurious cabin for the ultimate driving experience. Featuring a load-sensing hydraulic system, delivering highly efficient and precise control. Dual beam cylinders provide enhanced lifting power. The multifunctional smart control display system offers real-time operational monitoring. With a 130 liters large capacity fuel tank, enjoy extended endurance. An enlarged radiator upgrades cooling performance. The HWL-120 Wheel Excavator, your new powerhouse for urban operations, bringing innovative solutions to the job site.